Welcome back to We Here Now. I'm X. Let's get to it. So, this video will be a recap of this week. Um, I won't have anything about what happened yesterday in the divorce, but yeah, let's get to it. Stocks, trade tensions, and market movements. U.S. stock markets experienced modest gains, with the S&P 500 rising 0.4%, Dow Jones adding 0.1%, and the Nasdaq climbing 0.7%. These movements were influenced by ongoing trade tensions and tariff uncertainties under President Trump. Ooh, I should never said that. That P word under Trump, as well as disappointing U.S. manufacturing data. All right, moving on. Trump announced an increase in steel tariffs from 25% to 50%, aiming to bolster domestic metal production. This decision led to a surge in shares of U.S. steel companies like Cleveland Cliffs, Steel Dynamics, and Nucor. I hope I said that that Nucor correctly. Nucor. All right, moving on to crypto market volatility and institutional moves. The crypto market saw minor decreases, with the majority of the top 100 coins down over the past 24 hours. A lot of liquidity grabs went on yesterday. The overall crypto market cap decreased by 4.5%, falling to $3.39 trillion, with total trading volume at $73.7 billion, the lowest in weeks. The lowest in weeks, guys. All right. Moving on. Bitcoin network growth is spiking amid price stagnation, indicating increased adoption and activity despite the lack of significant price movements. Yeah, there we go, right here. So, like always, if any of these articles, poke out to you, just you can always find them just by googling the title here. Um, as you know, I don't fully go into these articles. That's not what I do here. News is just it's extra. It's extra. I'm just giving out signals here. Just giving out signals. All right. Let's move on. Ripple released $2.2 billion worth of XRP from its escrow accounts for June, a move that could impact XRP's market dynamics. We'll look at XRP as well. We'll look at XRP as well. I don't think I put it in my signals for this video, but we will still look at it. All right. Forex, currency fluctuations amid global uncertainties. The U.S. dollar weakened as trade tensions with China escalated, leading to increased demand for other currencies like the euro and the pound. There we go. Speaking of Forex, did not mean to do that. Forex, boy, it's been rough. It's been rough. Yeah, it's just been rough. I've been in some trades that should have been maybe a week long. I've been in these same trades for about 3 weeks, almost a month now, because of all of this uncertainty. Man, it's actually I'm getting worn out. I'm getting worn out. All right, let's get back on track. The UJ pair is showing a bearish outlook, with analysts predicting a potential break below 140 level, the $140 level, due to risk aversion amid trade war concerns. So, first thing we're going to do, so I do not forget, is looking at XRP and UJ. So let's take all of this stuff out now. Blah 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 blah. Come on, come on, come on. There we go. There we go. All right. So XRP. Let's look at XRP first. Let's look at XRP. Yeah. You see the bounce. The MACD looking good. The bounce. The bounce. The bounce. The bounce. Just a little taste of what's going on in crypto. Just a little taste. All right, now let's look at UJ. Now that's CAD. Where is UJ? There it is. Is that you, Gordon? All right. 140. So this is 6 hours. So yeah, this was earlier this week when the article was saying that it was going down to the 140 range. Yeah. I don't know. Well, I know why, because they're trading on lower time frames. That's why they thought that. Because if you move up and see this major trend line, the odds of the price, falling below this trend line is slim to none. This is why I use the higher time frames. But anywho. So let's get to where everybody is here for. Bitcoin. Is it a bottom? Or was it just a liquidity grab? So, liquidity grab is what I am going for, just because price always has to touch these EMAs after a while, and it's exactly what it did. Now it's about to shoot back up. And also, I forget what time frame that this fib is on. Look where price came in reverse to the golden area. I forget what it's called, but the golden area of the fib is 0.618. So when that happens, let's just see. Nah, I don't want to do it on this one. Well, let's just see. Yeah, I'm going to delete it. Start from right there. Yeah, okay. So with that being said, now do that. Boom right there. And boom right there. So these are the targets for the next move. And then you got the 618 right there, the positive 618. So the Bitcoin is definitely going to, 119. That's actually the next stop is about 119. I'm calling it 119. And I believe I have that in Bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. I'm still here. Blah, blah, blah. Come on, come on, come on. I don't know where I saw that prediction at, guys. Did I take a picture of it? Did I take a picture? Hold on, guys. Hold on. All right. I found it. So it says June 7th, 129. That's not even on here. There's no way that that's doing that next. There's no way that that's doing that in a day. Of course, this is all, predictions. These are all predictions. And then it says June 23, 147. Yeah, I don't see that. June 23. Well, it might be. Because once it break out of here, it might just shoot up. Or better yet, once it break out of this 2 hour, the 2 day trend line, it might just shoot. It might just shoot. All right, all right, all right. So let's get back to it. I'm getting sidetracked today. Today's a good day. All right. Yeah. So I believe this is a 6 hour trend line. Guess I should delete all this extra stuff so you guys can see, right? No, this is not. Is it a 12 hour? Yeah, this is a 12 hour trend line. So we got touch right there, all right here, and right there. Um, the MACD is showing buying pressure. We bounce right off here. Let's delete that. Don't know what that is. That fell through. This fell through. And this is definitely like so. I like that one better. Look like it's a wedge from on this one right there, that trend line and this trend line, a wedge. It's gonna break out. Boom, boom, boom. So, yeah, I guess tonight, tomorrow. Yeah, about 7 o'clock tonight, Central. We should be looking for a breakout within the next 8 hours. We should be looking for a breakout. Yeah, even the 6 hours showing. Yeah, buddy. A new all-time high. Incoming. Incoming. Again, I done got sidetracked again, guys. All right. Oh wow. XRP was actually the second one on here. So of course, starting on the 2 day. Move these things around some. This is definitely not a 2 day trend. You can delete this because this is old. 12 hour. That is looking good for a 12 hour trend. Boom. I like that as well, right there. How's that 2 day looking? Yes, guys, I'm doing this all, I'm doing this in real time. Is that the right one? Okay. Doing this in real time. I do this so you guys can see how easy it is and how much time it truly takes to chart. All right, so let's see how everything is looking. Yes, 12-hour breakout is happening soon. Let's look at SUI. Basically the same. Basically the same. All on the 12-hour. I wonder. I don't know. How does that look? Maybe this isn't for a 12-hour. Maybe a 6-hour you get more touch points. But you see a clear reversal right there. So this is definitely the trend line. Yeah, I like the XRP on 6-hour. Yeah, it looks better on the 6-hour. Much, 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 much better. See, we got the three white doves right here, doves, for a reversal. All right, let's look at the good old Pepe. Good old Pepe. Again, on the 6-hour as well. Of course, you can always delete this for now, or you can leave it. Because guess what price is going to do? It's going to come to this area. Once it breaks out right here, price is going to come to this area and have resistance. It's going to have resistance. See right here, we have the support at the bottom. And then we have the resistance here. So price is definitely about to break out on the 6-hour. On the 6-hour. ZBCN. This is actually becoming one of my faves. One of my faves. And this is on the 6-hour as well. As you see here. As you see here. Kind of want to make that, bring that down a little. So like that. Then move it back up. Might need to do a little bit more. Well, I be Bartholomew. Guess that's it right there. So, yeah, you can delete this one because it's gonna be a while before this even get touched. So we have in this channel right here. Let's see what we have. I would say that's a breakout. I would say that's a breakout. You would definitely see it on the 2-hour. Yeah, coach, that's a breakout. Yeah, so ZBCN is breaking out now. ZBCN is, I repeat, ZBCN is breaking out now. ZBC is breaking out now. Luna. I don't even know what the picture looks like for Luna. Luna, we have another 6-hour. I'm telling you, if I had the followers, other YouTubers would be mad at me because I'm giving out what they're charging for. I feel like, man, we can make money doing other things. If somebody want to learn something, why am I charging something that I'm doing already? It's enough money out here for everybody to, enjoy. It's enough money out here. And Luna is on a 6 hour and it's breaking out. Luna is about to break out. I repeat, on the 6 hour, Luna is about to break out. And where is it going? Just right here. Just right there. All right, SPLG. On to stocks. SPLG, it's the same thing as SPY. It's the same thing as SPY. Why isn't it on here? What's going on? Because it's in here. That's why. What do we have for SPLG? We have a 12 hour. You have a 12 hour potential breakout. What happened to my trend line? Yep. It's definitely a breakout incoming on the 12 hour. Definitely on the 12 hour. Excuse me. Yeah, but yeah, man, it just look good. It just looks good. You got the EMAs in order. The MACD is showing buying pressure. There's definitely a trend line going up like that. All right, let's look at AMC. AMC on the 6 hour. AMC on the 6 hour. So I don't know what that is. So this one, like, I know it's going up. I know it is going up. I just don't see. Is it on the 2 hour? I started stuttering. It is on the 2 hour because this is the golf handle and this is the club. Bear with me. I'm about to put it in for you. Bear with me. Yep. So let me. What is this called? Ba, 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 ba. Come on. A bullish expanding triangle. Yes. Bullish expanding triangle. That is what it is. So, bullish expanding triangle pattern. Oh, that's not what that is. That is not what that is. How is it not though? There we go. All right. This is the bullish. I'm on the wrong page. So this is what I see right here. That is what I see. I mean, it looks the same, very similar. But however, let's invert this. Let's invert this. Playing a little that devil's advocate now. But I still believe when it confirms, that's when I would get in. When it confirms. Let's just put it like that. When it confirms. All right. So let's move on to SNDL. Don't even know what this is. But however, it broke out. No. On the 2 day. Yes. Yes, it did break out on the 2 day. It is breaking out on the 2 day. So Monday. Monday, 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 Monday. This is definitely. This is definitely. Look how long this trend line is active for. Well, it's only been active since last November. Actually. So it's still a trend line from last November, and I'm pretty sure I'll just do this. And it's somewhat decent. But yeah, so we are looking for Monday for the confirmation. The confirmation on Monday. All right. Forward. Forward, we have a 12-hour. We have a 12-hour breakout. 12-hour breakout. Now, you could get in right now. Could get in. But since today is Friday, and Friday is when people like to sell, I will again wait till I'll wait till Monday. I will definitely wait. What the 2 hours looking like? Nah, big dog. About 16 minutes. Yeah, I would get in about 16 minutes. I will get in about 16 minutes. I will get in on 16 minutes. That's a good entry for for the 2 hour. All right, Mara, Bitcoin play. We have that on the 6 hour. 6 hours. Yeah, there's more touches on the 6 hour. So, yeah, we are looking for the breakout to the upside over this trend line. And this could potentially be Tuesday. It could potentially be Tuesday for the actual confirmation. All right, and last but not least, we have Riot. And then Riot is on the 2 day. As you see, broke out, retested. What am I not seeing? There we go. There we go. Ah, okay, okay, okay. That's what I'm using. Because it broke out, went up for maybe like a day, came back down, did a retest, shot back up. I like that. I like that. So yeah, this is Riot is definitely a buy right now. All right, guys. Today was definitely a longer one. So if you like what I see, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification alert button, ring bell, whatever it's called. Until next one, well, until the next video, I see you guys in these shorts to put these trades in. I'm X. You've been watching We Here Now. See you on the next one. Peace.